Hold on. Kason, what's your girlfriend's name?
Me that.
And what are you gonna get her? A ring. And what else?
Playing game.
Play shooting games with you?
Uh-huh.
What do you like about her?
Happy Legends.
Because you like her? Is she pretty? What's she look like? What? Are you embarrassed?
Yeah.
Why? Huh? Is Uriah here? Not yet. Tell her, say hi, Uriah.
They're not here.
Not here yet. You gotta wait. How old are you?
3,
You're 3. How old's Uriah?
2.
She's 2? I don't think so. I think she's older than that. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Uriah.
Bye, love.